Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's class, we will learn the basic tools of Photoshop. We will start from the gradient tool, patch tool, and pen tool, shape tool, custom shape tool, and more. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the tutorial. First of all, we will create the document. Go to File, New. Shortcut key for the new document is Control N. This is our document, and here is the gradient tool. Shortcut for the gradient tool is G. Here you can change the colors of gradient. There are predefined presets of gradient: basics, blue, purple, pink, red, orange. I'm choosing this one just for example. And click like 1.2 second point. It will show the direction of gradient. See, Control Z. If we will change the direction of gradient, then it will look like this and this. Suppose we are choosing this direction. Now also there are more options. This is the linear gradient, this is the radial gradient, this is the angle gradient, and this is the reflected gradient, and the last one is diamond gradient. This is the radial gradient, which shows the circle. This is the angle gradient, which shows the sharp angle. This is the reflected gradient, which shows the reflection of above color, and this is the diamond gradient, which show the diamond effect. This is the gradient tool. There are a number of options of mode like dissolve, behind, dark, multiply. We will do this later. Reverse will reverse the colors of gradient. Now the second tool is shape tool. I'm again creating the blank document. Here is the shape tool. Shortcut for the shape tool is U. Change the fill color of shape. I am choosing this green. Now you can create the shape, square, rectangle, like this. If you press shift while creating the shape, then it will proportion the width and height, and it will create a square shape. Here you can add a stroke effect. Choose stroke color, choose stroke width, choose stroke shape, dotted, dashes, and solid. This is the shape effect tool. Press shift U to change the shape. Here now select circle, or you can say ellipse tool. Here you can create an ellipse. If you press shift, then it will create a circle. Next tool is custom shape tool. From custom shape, You can choose the preset shapes, tiger, elephant. There are wild element shapes, leaf trees. Now for this we have to press shift to create a proportion of object. Here we can remove the stroke, and this is our custom shape. In custom shape section, there are number of shapes, boats, flowers. You can create your own shape also and add to this custom shape. Here you can import a shape, and default shapes are already appended. This is the work of shape tool. Now I am importing the one photo. This is the photo I download from unsplash.com. Here we have to remove these dots, black dots. So I am choosing the patch tool. Or stamp tool. We can do this with the help of spot healing brush. I am choosing spot healing brush. Make a duplicate layer for backup. Now just click on the spots and see the magic. It will remove the dots. Actually, it will not remove the dots. It will fill the content aware tool. It will use the content aware tool to remove these dots. Now this is the before and this is the after. With the help of spot healing brush, we can remove the wires from the sky and dots from the skin. Number of options we can do. Now patch tool. Patch tool helps to select this portion, and now we have to replace this with new portion. This is the before, this is the after. Let me show the example of spot healing brush. Now I am opening the new image, download from unsplash.com. I am choosing the spot healing brush. Shortcut for the brush is J. Now make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl J for backup. Now we have to remove these lines, wire lines. For brush size, increase the brush size, press curly bracket, or you can also use right click button to increase or decrease the size. Just spot the wire line and see line is gone. Wait for a few seconds. It will show the magic. We can also remove the bulb. See, bulb is gone. So spot healing brush helps to remove these spots from skin and sky. Anywhere you can use this. Next is pen tool. I'm creating a new document. Here choose the pen tool shortcut is P. Here we have to change from path to shape. Now it will draw the shape. You can create your own shape. Using pen tool, and also change the color by double click. With the pen tool we can also make a selection by choosing path. Here we can make a selection of rounded corners. Make selection. And you can also use handles in pen tool. Like these are two handles. By pressing Ctrl, you can change these handles to modify your shape. One handle and second handle. This is the pen tool. This is done for the today's class. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Stay home, stay healthy.